Dr. Pepper on my food.
Brianna, no. Stop pouring pepper. It's gonna make me sneeze.
No, Jimmy, you can't sneeze. If you sneeze, you'll die.
I'm gonna sneeze.
No, Jimmy. Gesundheit.
Gesundheit. More like Kasoon death. Ha!
I get to sneeze.
Brianna, your face is ugly.
Tell me, why did you say that?
I was distracting you from sneezing, and it worked.
Oh, thank you then.
Hey, Bri.
Sophie, are you sick?
It's just a COVID cold.